from Ngahtech Group. So today we are going to be looking at how can we actually run our C program. This is a 7 days program or code camp that we're going to be doing this week, starting today, Sunday. So we're going to be explaining in depth on how to run your C programming, how to execute code on C program using your C programming language, and also what are the things you need to understand. We are going to explain a lot of things in depth of it from beginners to advanced. So if you are here, and I encourage you to stay tuned. So for us to start, there are some few things you have to take into consideration, which is the first thing that we have to do is look for a text editor. Okay, we need a text editor, or we use a code block. Okay, you can either download this code block, and then once you have downloaded it, and you should have something like this. Okay, so once it's done, first thing I have to do is to run our first project. Go to create project, and then you can choose any project that you want to create here. So what we want to do, we want to create a simple file, which is a C and a C++ source file. Okay, this one goes together. So let us go, and then want to work with C, create on that. Then we give the file name. We're going to give it as main. Okay, and .c. Then we save full part. Okay, let us go to location. We are going to save it where? On our desktop. Okay, then we'll give it as main.c, and we save, and that is that. Okay, so to start, we have to first of all write our basic program, which is hatch include. Okay, then there's an equal to, which is stdio.h, and the next thing we're going to do is to int, which is data type, main, which is a function. Come down, then we write printf. Remember that this is the basic structure of our C program. Okay, here we say welcome Ngahtech. Okay, and then we close it with a semicolon. Remember to always keep a semicolon at the end. Then we return our 0. We're going to explain this everything one by one. Okay, let us execute. So you are going to come here, you build and run. Okay, we have build and run to test it. Okay, you see that here we have welcome Ngahtech group. Okay, so that is how the basic structure of our C program. So what does this include mean? What does it mean? And what are the int main means? What is the printf stand for? What does return 0 stand for? Okay, these are things we're going to discuss right now. So we have the print include. stdio.h is what is a header library that let us work with input and output functions such as printf. Okay, what is used in line 5. Okay, we also have the other side, which is we'll talk of this printf, the int main. The int main is the main function. Okay, it is a main function, and the return 0 is where the main functions ends. Are we there? So that is the basic structure, or the basic structure of the C program. So we're going to discuss in depth as we are moving forward. And you can remember to always end each statement, always end with a semicolon. Okay, each statement always ends with a semicolon. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on our next video.